Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to review about research statement that is going to be launched today. So before starting the video, I want to tell you that I'm going to share the link of buying this research statement as well as the bonus link in the description, so check the description as well. So let's start the video without any delay. Research statement. Discover how a great new secret software helps you find and create killer content in minutes. Content research and creation doesn't have to be a headache. Let this cutting edge app do the heavy lifting for you. Outsourcing. Hiring freelancers is expensive, time consuming, and seldom gets the results you want. DIY. Doing it all yourself by hand simply takes way too much time to be practical, let alone cost effective. Web apps. Automated web apps get limited results and fail to give you the big picture to bring it all together. Save your time, money, and headaches. Use our tested and proven software. So, here are some testimonials. The easiest way to create content. Greetings, fellow content creator. Are you struggling to create information products like PLR, ebooks, lead magnets, and posters for your blogs and social media? It is not nearly as easy as you imagined, is it? Stress may have gotten the best of you. You have probably already tried. Hired a freelancer or outsourcer, doing it all by hand yourself. Purchased a bunch of apps to do it for you. Am I on the mark so far? Don't worry, we have good news for you. But before that, does any of this sound familiar? You have paid a freelancer which just resulted in lost money spent on poorly written content that you could not use for anything useful, let alone premium content. You have tried to do it yourself, investing hours of your time chasing down far-flung bits of content that just did not fit together the way you needed. You have purchased products to assist searches which just delivered a disappointment, or were dumped after a couple of months when the developer chased another money making opportunity. And now you are still at a square one. Just before I was ready to give up, a stroke of luck changed everything. You can only run into so many walls before you get so frustrated that the only option left seems to be quitting. I was just about at that point, having failed to find an efficient way of researching niches. But then I made an amazing discovery, and everything instantly got easier. This was powerful new software, a totally game changer. After detailed analysis of my marketing strategies, I came to the conclusion that they needed automating. If I could do that, then I had a chance. So I sat down and started to code, and after months of blood, sweat, and tears struggling with the coding, I finally created some PC software that was a totally game changer. Since then, I have run into multiple others who encountered the same never ending battle of research and content creation that I went through. And it seemed pretty unfair to keep the software to myself, especially since it offers a solution to many people just like you. So I would like to introduce Research Daemon, the fastest, slickest, slimline research software that you will ever need. This special software will help you to research niches in record time, literally in minutes. Could it be that the simple software products really can turn everything around for you? Yes, it can. Cutting edge integration incorporates the best AI apps and services, save hours of precious time, and write content in a flash. Designer supported so you can create beautiful documents from your content. Advanced search operators find stuff you would never have discovered otherwise. Reveal hundreds of hidden niches, enter a keyword, and discover endless low competition niches, profitable products, Kindle books, and affiliate offers. Endless quality content. Eliminate guesswork, find the content your niche craves. No more starting at a blank screen on a guessing what might work. Swipe free content, unearth the hidden free niche content that you can legally reuse to create PLR, info products, emails, and more. Money loves speed. Get into in every corner of the internet, find content that you would never find otherwise, powerful searching algorithms that you would not find anywhere else, perform research in record time, create great info products, lead magnets, PLR, and so on. Simple to master. Developed by a real content creator for creating quality content, it does what it says on the tin. This is big because you know that it's been thoroughly tested and delivers exactly what it's supposed to. Incredibly easy to use Windows software. If you can switch on a PC, you can use this software. No time wasted on a lengthy learning curve. Just get to work right away. Here is how we help you to get the most from research team. We are with you with the training, with the private group, and it's a fun. So, in depth user and content creation training, learn how to use research domain in ways you would never have thought of from a content creation master. Number two, private group. You can get the access of our private Facebook group so you can stay up to date with the absolute best methods and strategies to move your business forward and get the support you need. Number three, it's fun. Make content creation fun again. In minutes, you will be finding content that will blow you away. It is truly is an invaluable tool. This will work for everyone. It doesn't even matter if you have never created content before. But I'm a complete beginner. That's great. It takes you 10 minutes tops to learn how to use research teaming. Using a proven system like this will allow you to cut hours of your content creation as well as help you find valuable content that others miss, and it will save you a small fortune on outsourcing the work to freelancers. But I already got an outsourced team or WA. Congratulations for that. You are well on your way. Now imagine how much more content of every type your team will be able to create you in no time at all. Increase the quality and value of your content creation team in one go. You will never be short of fresh high quality content to use or sell. But I'm an affiliate marketer, not a blogger or product creator. Awesome. Then you probably need a constant source of new bonuses to offer your subscribers. That content you can now create in minutes. Don't offer the same tired old bonuses as every other marketer. Create your own unique bonus content for extra conversion. Don't just take my word for it though. See yourself the people who had experienced with research statement. Research statement speeds, accuracy, and ease of saving functions have allowed me to minimize that essential gives us quote drudgery. I'm now using that time more productively and creating more value added deliverable. Stated by Chris Davis. Frank and Eugene says tried research demon and it's so fast and it's a beast and lightning fast. Jeremy Johnson says just install the daemon, this one is going to be fun. Anyone who is a freelancer can easily make their money back with this one in a flash. That's fantastic, Rob. But how much will research statement cost me? Much less than you would think. I want to be 100% honest with you, though. I am sure you could eventually figure out all of this yourself. You would just have to do it the hard way and put your blood, sweat, tears into tedious manual research and a lot of writing. So ask yourself this: doesn't it make sense to take advantage of this special offer today and put yourself on the easy path to success? And as a heads up, after this special limited time launch offer, we will be pushing the pros up to minimum of $97 per user, which pay more later when you can secure access to secret to fast content creations today at the special low discounted prices you see below. Fair warning though, this special offer is only available during the early bird launch period. After that, the price will go up and the software will only be available for individual purchase only. I know that puts a lot of pressure on you to make quick decisions, so I'm going to make your decision extremely simple. I want to remove all risk for use, and so I am including a 30-day no question asked money back guarantee. That's right, I have saved the best bit for now. Unless you are completely blown away by Research Demon and everything it does, I don't want your money. Grab Research Demon today and try it out for 30 days. If you are any reason or no reason at all are not happy with your purchase, simply ask for a refund and you will get it with no questions asked. Well, we will be part as friends. That's my promise to you. Use it to research and create blog posts, social media posts, bonus reports, lead magnets, free giveaways, PLR reports, and full blow products. Everything you research and create during these 30 days will be yours to keep no matter what you decide. They are yours to keep and profit from forever. I am 100% confident that you are going to love Research Demon though, and I am going looking forward to showing you everything it can do for you and your bottom line. Guarantees like this don't come along every day. Neither do opportunities like this. So we need to talk about the price. But before we do, let's recap exactly what you are getting instant access to inside. Integrate with AI services niches, Copysmith shortly AI, and also Designer enabling you to create superior content in a fraction of the time. Simple design and really fast at performing searches in every corner of the internet. Powerful searching algorithms that you would not find anywhere else. Super speedy bonus reports, lead magnets, blog posts, social posts, and product creation. Does what says it on the tin and works straight out of the box, saving you hundreds of hours researching time. Keep track of every page you visit and never forget a site again. An organized interface that keeps you focused. I do have to warn you though, there is one small catch. It is, however, a very real catch on securing your copy of the Research Demon. I have already dropped hints that Research Demon is seriously going up in price as we push it out to the mainstream markets, and that is going to happen soon, 100% guaranteed. When the countdown timer below reach 0, this page will be taken down forever, and you would then have to purchase the individual user license for at least $97 per each. This is not a gimmick. If you leave this page now and come back later, I can't guarantee that you can still get in. This is your only and final chance to complete bypass any future cost and get your hands on the entire Research Demon software for the low one-time investment you see below. So if you are at all serious about becoming a better content creator, about saving money and making your life a whole lot easier, then there is only one thing left to do. Take action today and invest in your future. Secure your access to Research Demon and don't let someone else take your place. Click the below button to secure instant access to Research Demon before the price goes up. For the single user, use on one computer, personal license, work on Windows 10, full tutorial videos, instant download, 1 year support and updates, one time payment. This is special offer at $27. For 10 users license, use on 10 computers, personal license, work on Windows 10, full tutorial videos, instant download, 1 year support and updates, one time payment at $47. So the only way you can lose out here is if you walk away empty-handed. This is really the cheapest way to secure all the niche blogging tools you will ever need, and the most effective way for anyone to start earning money from content creation fast. So guys, this was the review of the Research Demon. I hope that you liked the video. Please do like and share and subscribe my video. Besides this, I had shared the buying link and bonus link in the description as well. So check the description as well. Thanks for the watching.